Let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin. This video is going to be pretty quick. All right, so we have resistance, 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 giving me this downtrend right here. Technically, until we break this downtrend going to the upside, it seems like we're going down. But we also have support. I'm on the 1 hour time frame of the Dogecoin chart. We're basically bouncing in between those two trend lines right now. I've had a target of .294 going to the downside. Like I said, as long as we're on this downtrend going down, I'm looking at .294 going to the downside, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. I've been looking at this level for a long time on my channel if you guys haven't been following along. But yeah, it kind of seems like we're in a triangle pattern. I'm wondering if we're going to break to the upside or to the downside. I think I'm basically waiting to either break this support line right here or this resistance right here going to the upside or going to the downside. Once it does one of those, then I can get more confident on maybe us hitting my limit order at .294, my next target. Or if we start bouncing to the upside, or if we start moving up and breaking this trend line, maybe we can break the 38% Fibonacci retracement level at .339 right here. And if we can do that, then we can start looking at maybe like .394. Like I said, though, we are in a downtrend. So until we break that downtrend going to the upside, I don't know. We're in a downtrend. But we also have support. So that's why I'm kind of like, I don't know. I mean, it's a basic thing right now. We're watching resistance and support. Let's see if it breaks to the upside or to the downside, basically waiting for a breakout. I have a limit order at .294, but I also bought a position at .339. If it goes up, this position is going to be worth more, and if it goes down, I'm going to be able to accumulate more Dogecoin, basically. All right, that about does it though. Got to get ready for work. All right, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to watch yesterday's video, check it out right here. If you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here and help get you started. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.